Okay, so let's take a look at this problem. We need to begin by simplifying the square root of 48. So let me just take that over here and break it down. So you break it down, it's going to be 2 times 24, and that's 4 times 6, and 2 times 2. See, I underlined the things that won't go down any further. So 3 there. So I broke down the 48 all the way to its little pieces. Don't forget about this 2 up here. It's why it's important I underline everything. Okay, so the 48 equals, the square root of, how many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4 2's, and a 3. That's the breakdown of the 48. Okay, and so what happens then? Remember, 2 2's in, sends 1 2 out, they're gone, 2 2's in, sends 1 2 out. They multiply on the outside just like they're multiplying on the inside. So we end up with 4 square root of 3. So getting back to this then, we have 4 plus 4 square root of 3 over 2, right? That square root of 48 has become 4 square root of 3. Right here, square root of 48 becomes 4 square root of 3. Now, how do we simplify this? Well, we just break it down into 2 separate fractions. And we have 4 over 2, and we have 4 square root of 3 over 2. And so 4 over 2 is just 2, and 2 goes into 4 here 2 times, 2 square root of 3. And that's our final answer. We have the box around that. That's our final answer. You might think, by the way, can't we add those and make it 4 square root of 3? Can't we go 2 plus 2 is 4? No, you cannot. Only if that was 2 root 3 and 2 root 3 could you add them and then get 4 root 3. So you know what it's like? You can't do that. It just stays right here. It's like if you had 2 plus 2x. You can't make that 4x. Only if it was 2x and 2x would it be 4x. If one of the terms, so these are unlike terms. If one of the terms is just a plain number like 2, and the other has a square root like 2 root 3, they're unlike terms and they cannot be combined or added. So I'll move this here so it doesn't look like that's the answer. So this is the final answer right here. Right, 2 plus 2x is, you can't add those any for these 2's cannot be added because they're unlike terms. This is a plain 2 and this is a 2 root 3. So you cannot add those to make 4 root 3. That's not true. If this was 2 root 3 and 2 root 3, yes, then that would be 4 root 3. So we just stop right there. There we go.